Bet. We are live, baby. Let's go. All right, bet. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Just let everybody know that we are live. Let's see, copy link. Good morning, Team Bull and Mentees. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning so far. Hopefully you guys are ready to crush it. I will say expectations are pretty low today based off of earnings, but you know, if we get something and it's an A+ setup with minimal risk, we'll take it. But just keep that in mind today. Earnings today. Good morning, TikTok and Tube. Real quick, also, if you guys are joining the TikTok, make sure to double tap that screen. It helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. So again, make sure you guys double tap that screen. But also make sure to hit that that follow button. I live trade every single day. We went 2 for 2 yesterday. And again, I call out everything from start to finish. Live trading link. Bits. All right, that's good. Second Zoom. Meetings. Edit. Twenty-ninth. Hold on, I'm just trying to get something situated over here. Okay. Let's get it, everybody. Go over the watch list here in about 10 minutes. Give everybody 10 minutes to join. Again, if you guys could, make sure to double tap that screen if you're watching on TikTok. It helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. So your phone's probably in your left hand. Take your right hand, pointer finger, and boom, 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 boom. Make sure you guys do that. Make sure y'all do it. Good morning, Tube. Who we got in here? We got Austin, Vandy, Hopium, Just Gold, Manly, Haha, Rich, Ray T. Wang, Just Gold. Let's see. Joshua, Adrian, Alexander. Good morning. What's the best SPY trading strategy for beginners? Supply and demand. That's the way to go. Supply and demand. What indicator do I use? 21 EMA is what I have on this chart. This is my other indicator, but this is my actual indicator. Just based off supply and demand, orb, etc., etc. What was your question? And make sure you guys hit that follow button as well. Top left, top right. If you guys are brand new, make sure you hit that follow button. I live trade every single morning for you guys. How long did you study trading before paper trading, or did you do paper trading and study the market? I went into real market conditions right off the rip. I had no idea what paper trading was. So right off the rip. Am I currently in a trade? No. We still got 24 minutes until market's open, and I don't typically trade in the pre-market. It's very rare that I do. Let's see. Good morning. You're watching Google. Good afternoon. Morning. First time I requested for a payout. I thought I was going to get most of my profit, but instead of only 1,500, is there a prop firm that will give more? Well, you have to be over your trailing drawdown. So over your trailing drawdown is where you can start requesting. So what account size did you do? And then because typically you're trailing drawdown plus $100, and then anything over that you can pull out. And that's pretty standard in the prop firm community. Let's see. That's unmutes. Make co-host cool. Again, if you guys are new, I'm going to keep reminding you, top left, top right corner, make sure you guys hit that follow button. Everybody on the tube, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. We got about 50 of you in here so far. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Do I trade all day? Only the first hour and a half of market open. Hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at most. On supply and demand, I got a bunch of videos. So if you type in BrandonTrades, supply and demand on the tube, I'll pop right up. Bunch of videos. Lucid Pro discount code is code Brandon in all caps. BRANDON. BRANDON. That'll always get you the best possible discount on any prop. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Again, code Brandon, all caps. I got you. Y'all ready to crush it today or what? Again, we do have Tesla and Google earnings, so expectations are a little low, but we can see what the market offers. Good morning, we is. Oh, gotta let everybody on the gram know that we are live. Would you consider that 45-minute demand on ES from pre-market? It was below today's pre-market low. We had a demand, but we already tapped into it. Live. It's based off the 30 and the 45. One second, everybody. Just getting this posted up. No, I took 2 longs yesterday. Both of them worked out. Come on, upload. Again, if you guys are new on TikTok, we got about 120 of you in here. Make sure you guys hit that follow button, top left, top right. Take your pointer finger, right? Your phone's probably in your left hand. So hold your phone like this. Take your right hand, pointer finger, find that follow, and click it. Again, top right, top left. Do I trade futures on Sundays? Very rarely. Typically use Sunday to just prep for the week. My nose is so stuffy today. Hold on. Also, if you guys are watching on the TikTok and you guys want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I also go live over there every single morning. Full screen view. You can see my order flow, still see my face, all that good stuff. So again, BrandonTrades on the tube, 138,000 subscribers, 1,800 videos. Make sure you guys tap in. You reached 60K on the 50K account. Were you the one that said you got your payout? Oh, you're trading with Apex. Your first payout is at most 1,500. Is that who you're trading with? In total, though, you could pull out, I think, 13,000 per Apex account. So literally just trade small until you're ready for that next payout and then request it. but your first one's 1,500 if you're with Apex. Appreciate the follow. Again, if you guys are in this live stream, it's a sign. If you're interested in trading, starting to learn about trading, you're a struggling trader, and you somehow stumbled upon this live, take that as a sign. This is your time to lock in, tap into the streams, and learn. Literally just learn with me every single day. Call out everything from start to finish, exactly what I'm watching, all the trades that I take, when I'm trimming, where my stop is, etc., etc. Answer questions while we're chilling, all that fun stuff. Let's get it. We got 17 minutes until market open. What's up, Team Bull? Let's see. Good morning, Grubonsky, I think is how you say it. Don, Rez Walker, Tyler. First time in here. Welcome. Andrew, Jason, Tanner, Babyface, Tuje. Or no, we talked about this yesterday. Tuje. Joseph, T Animal. Good morning. Good morning. Let's crush it. The odds of making 1K a day as a complete beginner is very, very, very slim. Consistently making 1K a day. Can you explain how there is movement if the market isn't open yet? Futures is open 23 hours a day. So there's multiple different times that you could trade futures. You could trade Asia, you could trade London, you could trade, post-market, you could trade pre-market. I mainly trade New York because that's where I make a majority of my money. So, I just stick to where I make the majority of my money. What's your best advice to not revenge trade? There's a button on your computer, all right? It's like a little circle, and it turns off your computer, okay? So when you feel that urge to revenge trade, you click that button, you hold it for about like 2, 3, 4 seconds, and your screens will go black, okay? When your screens go black, you get up out of your chair and you leave. That's my best advice. I need help figuring out the best prop firm and account to start with. I had Lucid Flex and Passive Val and Blue at fourth day of being funded. I mean, my favorite is TPT, Take Profit Trader. You can use code Brandon over there, get the best possible discount. But other firms that I use are Apex, Lucid, and Tradeify. So Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Those are the 4 that I use, trust, and have gotten payouts from. But out of those 4, again, Take Profit's my favorite. Yeah. You like that answer? No, prop firms are not free. Code Brandon will get you a really good discount, but they're not free. Got to pay to play. I don't use TradingView. No. No, sure. People were roasting me on Twitter because when I was teaching at University of Michigan, they had delayed data on TradingView because they were charting and they just started learning. I don't even have real-time data on TradingView because I don't use that shit. I've been trading for 8 going on 9 years, and I don't pay for the data on TradingView because I don't use it. I use Think or Swim. Think or Swim. Let's see. Does TPT have a 50K account that doesn't have a consistency rule once funded? Correct. So you only have a consistency rule on the eval because you have to trade 5 days minimum to pass on the eval. So you have a 50% consistency on that. But once you pass it, no consistency on the actual funded. No, I have a completely different strategy than Jadon. Can you quickly explain why you like broker? Why I like my broker? Thinkorswim has by far the best data. By far the best data, especially the way that I plot supply and demand. A lot of the times, TradingView will not catch it. Just the way that the data is, the data feed, I would say. But then also Thinkorswim is faster. It's faster data than TradingView. You don't have to pay to get extra indicators. You don't have to pay to get real-time data. I can trade options straight from Thinkorswim, all that good stuff. It's like a legitimate real broker compared to TradingView. It's just a platform. Nose is so stuffy. Let's see what else we got. Yep, TPT is my favorite. I'm new to order flow and I come from ICT. So is order flow have I'm confused by your question. Have a few interactive brokers accounts with data. I usually make enough trades not to pay for data, so I connect to trading. Yeah, I don't use TradingView. I will be out of town. I'll be in Cali Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Come back Saturday and later in the day. I'd probably go with a 50K Morgan, but I guess it's personal preference at the end of the day if you want to do 25K or not, but I'd personally go with 50K. And again, use code Brandon, all caps. Get you 40% off and no activation fee with code Brandon. BRANDON. And again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there right now as well. 1,800 videos, 138,000 subscribers, tons of free education. Again, make sure you guys come tap in. BrandonTrades on the tube. Code Brandon works on Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. But again, Take Profit's my favorite. Thoughts on Webull? I mean, I own it long term. I don't trade on it, but I think it's a good stock. They're doing, well with their revenue. They're actually profitable. So I like it as far as like buying the stock, but as far as trading on it, I have no idea. So where is type your question again, Toji. I'm confused. This is NQ that I pulled up. What's up, Mr. GD? Low expectations today. Share my screen with you guys. There we go. Bet. Good morning, everybody. Sometimes I go live for Asia. Just depends what I got going on throughout the week. Just type in BrandonTrades order flow. I'll pop right up. You want to learn, you're in the right place. Again, go on the tube and type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. 138,000 subscribers and 1,800 videos. Also hit that follow button if you're new. Top left, top right. All right, let's go over the watch list real quick, everybody. So, I mean, honestly, not really interested in this supply zone. We already tested it. I guess we could see what happens if we hit this high. High, voice crack. Just because we had that little like pre-market high right there. But ideally, would like to see us break below this pre-market low at 28952. If we can do that, I like shorts. Get above this supply zone. Just look for continuation higher at that point. Expectations are really low today just because we have Google and Tesla earnings. So we'll see what the market offers. As far as ES, we bounced right off of yesterday's low at this 75.04. So if we're going to go lower, I would like to see us get below that. Maybe just a break and retest a short, or Again, maybe watch this pre-market high for a reject. We did not test the open of the supply zone up here. So that's at 75.34.5. So we can watch that as well, anywhere from this range. And then if we get above it, just look for longs. And I also wanted to watch Apple. Get above that 328.12 pre-market high. Look to take it back up into yesterday's high. So that's my watch list today. Again, very low expectations. So we'll see what the market offers. Cool. Let's get it. Let's make this bag. Appreciate the follows, everybody. Good morning. Look at Future Dave. No, I do not use fair value gaps. I am a straight man, and we do not trade those over here. Thank you, buddy. You didn't clap for me. I don't know. We're going to have to hit a banger within like 30 minutes on Friday. I got to go out to Cali. Got some important things to do out there. It's a secret. It's the best way to start with little cash, either paper trading or prop firms. The moving average I have on this screen is 21 EMA. Very rarely will I use footprints, just because there's other ways that you can see exactly what a footprint is showing you, and in like an easier way to understand. Exactly, Weiss, or we is. Again, we got about 120 of you right now in the tube and only 27 likes. So like 100 of you have not hit that thumbs up yet. Make sure you guys click it. Again, live trading every single day. All you guys got to do is tap in. Subscribe, tap in, hit that like. Let's see. 5 minutes until open. I base everything off a 5 or a 2 minute for my entry, but then I use a 30, 45 minute, hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour daily to plot my zones. So everything's based on higher time frames. I just use lower time frames to, snipe entries. Appreciate the follows. The absorption indicator. Also, finally got this. Hold on. I got something for you guys. Okay. So I am going to be hosting a free webinar next Wednesday. If you guys can't make it, it will be recorded. But here's a free webinar link. Everybody on the tube, make sure you guys sign up. There's about 130 of you in here. I should see 130 of you sign up. It's literally a free webinar. No reason not to join. So here is the link right here. Again, make sure you guys sign up. If you guys are watching on TikTok and you want to join the webinar, there's two different ways. Either go on over to my IG. I don't want to say the whole name because I don't know if TikTok will clap me. But my IG, type in Brandon Trades. I'll pop right up. I have a blue check mark. That's my verified account. And shoot me a DM for the webinar link. All right. So again, free webinar next week. I'm going to be teaching. It's going to be about like an hour and a half. So if you guys want that link, again, IG, Brandon Trades, or head on over to my Tube channel where I'm also live right now. Same thing, Brandon Trades. Join the live stream, and then the link is in the chat. So again, two ways to join the free webinar. Go on over to my Tube, join the live stream. The link is in the chat, or shoot me a DM on IG, Brandon Trades. I don't think I can send links in the chat. We can try. I don't think it's going to. Yeah. Unless you can copy that and paste it and join. But that's the free webinar. Make sure you guys join. Pin message. 2 minutes. Let's crush it today, Team Bull. Let's get it. What are you watching, GD? Yeah, fire. How many of you signed up for the webinar? Let me get a head count. Type me in the chat if you signed up. Or again, if you're watching on TikTok, IG, Brandon Trades, shoot me a DM over there. I'll give you the link. Or come join my Tube live stream right now as well. I'll give you the link. Brandon Trades on the Tube. How many of you signed up? Let's get a head count. I want to see me's. Me's in chat. Completely free. 1 week from today. If you can't make it, it will be recorded. Done. Me. Market's open. Let's go. Let's get it. Opening below 7,500 on SPX. Who else signed up? Come on now. Better see more than just that. Type in Brandon Trades and I'll pop up. Shoot me a DM. I'll send you the link when I'm done trading. That's it, Tube? That's all that signed up? Or are you guys just not typing? Am I in a trade? No, the market just opened. Market just opened. Want to give it time to settle. And then we'll go from there. Also, Team Bull, while we're waiting for setups, I'm doing a webinar 1 week from today. If you guys want to sign up, there's that link right there. It's completely free to join. Click that link and sign up. It takes 5 seconds. Got Apple trying to get above that 328. Let's see, Apple. What is today? Wednesday. So we got 0 DTEs. Watch the 330 calls if we get a close above 328. 328.10. Look for more upside. But yeah, curious to see what happens if we get above these highs. But still working on it, and I am able. You're eligible for payout on 3 accounts, Noel? Is that what you're saying? Or you're almost there? It's a 30-minute supply. Trying to reclaim 7,500. Get these spammers out of here. Yeah, block these spammers every day. We're getting some, as Jadon would call, BBC candles off the rip. Yep, this is NQ. Do you think any insight? I like Thinkorswim more. I've never used NinjaTrader. It's just always my go-to. You'll get the confirmation I trade too much. Confirmation email probably a little later. Again, if you guys didn't sign up, this is the link right here. Free webinar next week. Takes 5 seconds. Yeah, I execute on Trade if I'm trading futures. But as far as like overall platform charting, all that stuff, Thinkorswim. Curious to see if we reject here or not. Also at 7,500 on SPX. Signed up. Let's go. Dash line is the 21 EMA. We are rejecting and coming down. Only thing I don't like is that we already tested that supply zone. Typically, I like the first touch, so. ES is trying to hold above that level. Let's see if we get a 5-minute candle close above 75.3325. That's the level. Again, be very, very cautious today, everybody. Google and Tesla earnings. Got to close above that pre-market high. Curious to see if ES holds this. It might. NQ's on VWAP. Still below that 7,500 on SPX. Might continue to push back up into this high. Wouldn't be surprised. Why don't I break anything down? What are you talking about? Are you using your ears or no? Every day. Depends if we hold that 75.33. You want to know what's really sad, Mike? You tried to insult me, and you can't even spell two correctly. Brain cells aren't there, buddy. I hope you're not a grown man and can't use two correctly. Held that pre-market high. We're pushing up. Oh, I always find that so funny when people try to insult you but can't use proper English. It's like, how illiterate are you? If you're going to try to talk shit to somebody, you might as well learn proper English first. Still holding this ES level. Was a graphic on the lower right? That is order flow that you see. Good old order flow. And Q's really starting to push. Again, we'd like to see us get above that pre-market high for continuation. I use a 5 and a 2 minute for my confirmation, but mainly a 5. 2 is just like sniper entries. It's just what works best for me. You know, some people trade on a 30-second chart. I'd probably jump off of a bridge if I had to trade a 30-second chart. So I like the 5. That's just personal preference. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Follow button, top left, top right. Live trade every single day and call out all my trades start to finish. And Q's starting to pull back. ES is still holding that pre-market high. Supply and GD. Hell yeah. I want to watch Apple, see if we get a 5-minute candle close above 328.12. See more upside after that. I stream on TikTok and Tube every day. Weiss. Got 210 of you on the Tube right now. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my Tube channel, BrandonTrades. Live over there right now as well. 138,000 subs, 1,800 videos. So if you guys want to come tap in, you got BrandonTrades on the Tube. Still holding this pre-market high on ES. It's starting to push up back into that high a day. Or trying to push up back into that high a day. No entry from me. Would wait for a better setup. Plus, NQ is not above those highs yet. So I would like to see that for more potential upside. And we're still not getting 5-minute candle close above 7,500 on SPX. 7,500. There we go. AMD's going nuts. AMD is indeed going nuts. So is NVIDIA. Yes, gonna probably try to push. It's looking good. They're holding it as support every time it pulls back. We have orders there. Obviously, if it breaks the orders, then they'll probably die, but we'll see. Still no trades. And Q's trying to get that push. Trying to get above it on NQ. Do we have news this morning? Bet. I mean, I have like this, shorter term high at 34 on ES, but like the real high isn't until like 47. I have ES and NQ pulled up. That's what I'm watching. Looks like this ES one's high day though. NQ's trying to get above that pre-market high. SPX is still at 7,500. Why are you lying to him? I ain't watching no Dow. Yep, there's that high day on ES. See if NQ can actually get a close above it though. We're at the top of that supply zone now. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. I live trade every single day for you guys. All you got to do is hit that follow and join me every single morning. Again, you'll get a confirmation email probably later. Yeah, if you wanna insult me, go on the TikTok. That's the place to go. Then also, if you guys want to join the free webinar that I'm doing, if you're watching on TikTok, either head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now, and I'm dropping the link again. If you guys haven't signed up in the tube, there's a link right there. But yeah, if you're watching on TikTok, you can join it over there, or you can shoot me a DM on IG, BrandonTrades, and I'll give you the link later. But we're currently pushing up off this ES level. Again, our real high is all the way up at 47. And then NQ did get that 5-minute candle close above it. I would like to see a potential pullback for longs off this level. I'm in no position yet. Again, I'll wait for my setup, wait for my criteria to be met. If I get it, cool. If the market doesn't offer me anything, it is what it is. Did break that supply zone though. Appreciate it, Lane. I'm also down to watch a pullback on AMD after that push up. Watch like 537.4, give or take. Yeah, 2 for 2 yesterday. 2 winning trades. Had ES longs and NQ/QQQ on the second trade. So I took QQQ calls as well as NQ longs. Just passed your first 2 evals. Fire. Yeah, let's see how we close on this 5-minute. Really like a pullback on AMD though. Let's see, AMD. We're watching 537.4, so we'll go with the 540s if we can get the pullback. How's that supply zone determined? Based on how I draw supply and demand. Big impulse candle and then one small basing candle to the left. Curious to see if we hold this pre-market high on NQ, but not a big fan of this 5-minute candle. Not a big fan of this 5-minute candle, so we'll see if we hold or if we break back down below. It's like an iffy supply zone that we're rejecting off of right now, based off the 45. SMCI is up 22%. Let's see. It is. Nuking. It's actually above that 30. Or that pre-market high. Post-market high, whatever you want to call it. Or it's trading right at it, sorry. I mean, we did technically reject this 45-minute supply. It's a little too big of a risk that I'm willing to take today. Be risking about like 50 points. It could potentially reject. I mean, it did reject supply, but again, very low expectations today. So not too worried. Would have liked a better entry, but I don't want to risk, 50 points. Especially because ES still looks bullish. ES hasn't invalidated anything. Just really hoping this AMD would pull back and give an entry. And we're above 7,500 on SPX as well. So we don't really have like that whole confluence within the market for me to be super interested in these shorts. See if it breaks back down below 7,500 because now we're trading at it again. Now we're back up above it. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Again, I live trade every single day. All you guys got to do is follow and join 30 minutes before New York market open. So find that follow, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Everybody on the tube, we got about 222 of you in here and only 92 likes. So over 100 of you guys have not hit that like button yet. Make sure you guys do that. Hit that thumbs up. If you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there right now as well. How many contracts do I do? Depends on risk. Depends on the day too. Very low expectations today, so my contract size would be very low. Tesla, Google earnings, no news. So, yeah, it would be lower today for sure. No trades yet, Santana. Just waiting. And again, if you guys haven't signed up for the webinar yet, make sure you guys do that. We're getting above our supply zone right now, but here's a link to the webinar. If you guys have not signed up in the tube yet, it takes 5 seconds to sign up. If you're watching on TikTok, and you want to join the free webinar, it's in 1 week from today, next Wednesday at 7 p.m. EST. If you can't make it, it will be recorded. But if you want to sign up, head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. The link is in the chat. And then head on over to my Instagram, BrandonTrades, and shoot me a DM. Oh, hopefully TikTok doesn't clap me. I just said it. IG. Head on over to my IG and type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up, shoot me a DM, and I'll give you the link when I'm done trading. But see if we close above this this supply zone at 216. If we do, then probably more upside on this NQ, which it looks like it's going to. Got about like 45 seconds until this candle closes. Slow grind up on ES so far. Watch this 5-minute candle close. All right, supply zone is invalid. No entry based off that supply zone. Straight nuke or GD? See. I was hoping that AMD would pull back. But I guess we can watch, see what happens if we come back down into this 173 level. No reason to reject price. We're at no zones right now. No zones. Wait for high quality setups. And yeah, that's it. Literally wait for a high quality setup. Why no entry off that supply zone? SPX and SPY and ES were all bullish. Again, the market should move in sync. So if SPX is holding above 7,500 and ES is trending up above pre-market highs and NQ was trading at that pre-market high without losing it, nothing about the supply zone was actually bearish when you put all those things into account. So we need everything to reflect the same thing. Where's this pre-market high? Okay, we're at our real pre-market high on ES right now, 75.47. My strategy, supply and demand, 30-minute orb, pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low, take all those levels, combine them with order flow. And that's my strategy. This 30-minute orb range is going to be too big. Yeah, I mean, honestly, just pull back is what I would like to see. Pull back, higher low, look for longs. It's the only thing we can do right now. AMD's not even pulling back for us, just ripping. We got another 80 points until our real pre-market high on NQ. Only thing that sucks is the 30-minute range is going to be way too big. Who added me in the chat? Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure to hit that follow, top left, top right. And again, make sure you guys come tap into my tube channel as well, Brandon Trades. Tube channel, Brandon Trades. Still getting this push up. I guess the only scenario where I would watch the 30-minute orb, everybody, is if we still like get a bigger push up from here and then we come back down and we test it. But very, very big range for this 30-minute orb today. Not my favorite. Thought for sure the market was going to be choppy. Market proved me wrong. Big time. Have a good one. Look at Future Dave. Who's Pat? I wonder if we actually formed a demand off this move up. Let's see. We actually formed a new 1 hour demand. It's like 100 point or 200 points to the downside from here, but It's on the 1 hour on NQ. It's probably on ES as well. Just haven't gotten to it. I could potentially form a 2 hour. Depends how much we keep pushing from here for the 2 hour to form. But we have a really nice one on the 1 hour. I like how that dude tried to insult me. Couldn't use 2 correctly, and then he disappeared and never typed again. Let's see, 1 hour demand. Maybe just a basic pullback to the ADMA I'd consider as well, everybody. 29,196 right now on NQ. Again, if you guys ever need to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, make sure you guys use code Brandon, all caps, BRANDON. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps, always get you the best possible discount. This looks like a good level of resistance. I mean, it could reject, but again, market is so strong that I personally wouldn't. I prefer to just wait for a pullback to look for longs. What is GLD doing? Oh, it's nuking. I think we missed our entry. It would have been like 41.46. Would have been a good level. ES is above the 30-minute orb. Running into that pre-market or previous day high on ES at 75.53. Ripping. Absolutely ripping. See if we can at least get a pullback for longs. Come on now. Give us something. Price is way too overextended to even try a 30-minute orb up here. Again, it's going to have to really push and then pull back and actually give like a pullback to a higher low. But as of now, ES, all it did was close above it. It hasn't retested. So I don't trade the breakout. I only trade the retest. But even then, SPY's literally pushed, or ES, from 75.14 all the way up to 75.56. So about like 42 points with literally zero pullback. So if you start thinking about it, it's running out of gas on this move up for sure. So I don't care about going long until we get a real pullback. We are rejecting off yesterday's high currently. This is where we're testing the 30-minute orb, but again, price is too overextended for me to even care. Again, we take good trades and good trades only. If our criteria is not met, we don't take it. We sit on our hands. All right. Let's watch this pull back to the ADMA on NQ. 29,206 right now. Let's get this pullback. Okay, we're about like 20 points away from the level, everybody. Want NQ like 10 points lower. It's probably not going to give it to me. Watch. This thing is such a piece of shit, dude. Couldn't give me 10 more points and actually give confirmation. Now it's hitting the ADMA. It's showing that we actually hit it now after this move up. So stupid. Would have been about like 50 points, 40, 50 points. So stupid. Literally was 10 points off the ADMA, started to react. Now it's showing that we actually hit it and zero confirmation. Literally just straight bearish candle into the level, and now it's pushing back up. The tube is not delayed by 2 5-minute candles. I can guarantee you that. Make sure you're live, because you are definitely not live if you're seeing 2 candles before. Starting to come back down. About to hit that 8 EMA on ES. I only care about longs. I have no reason to short. Let's watch this 8 EMA on ES. We do have some buyers down here. Like this 43, 42 level. Buyers disappeared. Yeah, those sellers the buyers disappeared, everybody, so I'm not interested in that SPY level, ES level. Just staying patient. We are holding the 61.8 right now on NQ. From this swing right here. But here's our previous pre-market high that we never retested. So lose the 618. I'd like to see what happens there. Potentially thinking about some NQ longs. I'm going to try a light size right here, everybody. NQ longs or MNQ longs. Light size. Look to take this back up in a high day. See if we hold this 618. You want the better entry? It's like right here. Probably if we break below this O2 level with weakness, it's the 61.8, but holding the ADMA, 61.8% retracement. Every time we pop down, it's coming back up. So I risk like roughly 30 points on a light position. Come on. Would really like to see this candle flip green and get above this high. Nice volume coming in. There we go. Give us like 8 more points for our first trim. If you got that better entry, feel free to trim on this move up. It might make sense for you, but I would like to see a little bit more for the first trim. Come on. Give us 60. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and take my first trim up here, everybody. First trim up here. Thank you. See if we get this high day. Probably keep the stop at break even. That'd be smart. Got our one-to-one risk to reward. Again, we're going to do the same thing as yesterday. Had pretty low expectations today. Next trim will be a little closer to 80 if we can get up there. So another like 15 points, give or take. Worst case scenario, base hit. We're up a little over 40 points from our entry. Again, if you got that better entry, feel free to trim by all means. Completely up to you. But I would like to see 80 for our next trim. You guys make some money on that? Got about 10 more points for this first trim, or sorry, second trim. 7 more points. Yup. Fire. You got a way better entry than I did, Andrew. I'm actually just take a little more off, everybody. Starting to reject up in this area. Take a little more off, but ideally would like 80. If you guys got them, though, make sure to hashtag post your gains. Tag me in GD. Again, if that's what the market offers us today, that's what the market offers. A lot of you guys probably got a better entry than I did. Dipped down like another 10 points from when I entered. ES is still struggling to get that move up. So again, hard stops at break even. I'm all out. I'm all out on this move down, everybody. ES is really starting to pull back. So where I saw the potential. Hopefully you guys made some money off of that. What? Make sure you guys post them up. I'm going to give away an Apex account today if you got them. Tag me in GD. I see 3 people so far in the poster gains. Next area I would watch is if ES pulls back to like 75.30. That'd be the area I'm interested in. Nice. You guys made some money in the tube. TikTok, you guys take it. Again, not the biggest trade in the world, but definitely had the risk to reward. Got a little over a 1R multiple. I'll take it. One. Keep posting them up. What are you watching, GD? Nice. Again, I was looking for longs. Caught a nice long entry on NQ. Yeah, hope you guys made some money on the tube. If you guys want a chance to win the free account, if you join the free section of Team Bull, I'm going to drop the link in the chat. But if you join the free section, here's the link right here. I'm going to drop it in the tube. And you guys post your gains and you tag me and GD. My Discord is at Carhorns and then at GD Investments. If you post in there, then you have a chance to win an account. I'm going to give away an Apex account today. So there's that link right there. Yep. And if you're watching on TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 1,800 videos, 138,000 subs. And yeah, tons of free education over there. Got my free webinar coming up next Wednesday. If you guys haven't already signed up, make sure you guys do that. I'm teaching literally everything that I know about trading. So there's no reason that you're not in there. I'm going to drop that link in the tube as well. Again, it takes 5 seconds to sign up. And yeah, if you're watching on the TikTok, you want to join the free webinar that I'm doing next Wednesday, shoot me a DM either here on TikTok or on IG, BrandonTrades, and I'll get you guys a link when I'm done trading. But yeah, 1 for 1 on the day so far. We'll see if we capture another trade. Yes, I am indeed Carhorns. That's my old tag till I got BrandonTrades. I was able to switch it. This fucking guy. Still holding that 61.8. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. Already called out one winning trade today. See if we can make it two. Ideally, I was aiming for that high day, but again, I had low expectations today. Took it where it made sense. Was able to capture a decent trade out of it. Not the biggest trade in the world, but you know, I'll take it. I will take it. Yeah, hit that follow, top left, top right. Take your finger and do it. I'll start calling people out for not following. You guys ready for this? Let's see. Who we calling out? 649 Smooth. That's one. Kevo. You're not following. I know Be More Barbecue is. You're a goat. Jose Chavez. I think that's how you say it. Chavez. You're not following. Josh Peters. You're not following. Christian Thompson. You're not following. Fade in the Cape. You're not following. Disappointed in you guys. What's up? What's up? You do follow, fool. You're lame. Since early days, my boy told me a lot. Appreciate you. You're a goat. Let's square up, cuzzo. It's like, well, you got to ask yourself, what are you doing wrong? I literally just called out a winning trade. Why didn't you take it? You said, I just can't win. I need to give up trading, or I need to give trading up. Clearly, it's not for you. Why? What did you do? Did you force a trade? Do you have a system that works? You know, are you using proper risk management? Are you letting emotions get the best of you? There's, you know, a number of different things that you could be doing wrong, which with the tiniest bit of like tweakment, yeah, a little tweak could change it, you know? Any more people want to post and hashtag post your gains? Pick a winner here in 5 minutes. Are you going to trade, GD? Oh, I was about to say, I'll shut up. If you're in Team Bull. You were caught in the Forex scam before I pulled you out like 5 years ago. What, I teach you about trading options or something? Some of you have been around for a while. That's fire. We're all watching each other grow. Yeah, it'll renew at what you buy it at. Again, too, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps, get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon. Who tried to sign in with this? Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out who's trying to sign into my email. I'll still watch that 30-minute orb, though. I like that. A 30-minute orb or potentially a retest of that pre-market high. That's about it. Let's see if we get anything else. All right, GD, tell me when to stop. 2JX is a winner today. Check your DMs, fool. 2JX. See, all you guys gotta do is join and trade with us every day. If we catch a winner and you post an hashtag post your gains, you get a chance to win a free account. Want to watch this break and retest a 30-minute orb, kind of like flagging right here on NQ. What am I looking for? I got a potential uptrend entry. No reason to short. I mean, maybe a reject off a previous day high at that 75.54. Like, you could have taken that. It's not personally how I trade. But I could see why people would do that. What other questions you guys got while we're just sitting here chilling? Again, make sure you guys hit that follow button, top left, top right. Yep. And like Kenneth said, I'm doing a free webinar next Wednesday. If you guys want to tap into that, either shoot me a DM if you're watching on TikTok, shoot me a DM here on TikTok, or a DM over on my Instagram, BrandonTrades. I said it again. My IG, BrandonTrades. Shoot me a DM, say webinar. I'll get you guys the link. If you guys haven't signed up for it in the tube yet, here's the link right there. Again, it takes 5 seconds to join. I expect everybody that is in this stream to sign up for the webinar. It's completely free. So if you're sitting there, you're struggling with your trading, you're frustrated, you can't control your emotions, you don't have strategy, etc., etc., that is exactly where you want to be. Again, that webinar next Wednesday, completely free. If you can't make it, it will be recorded as well. I mean, it depends. Are you willing to blow the accounts or not? Depends on your bankroll. Like for me personally, I don't care if I blow the accounts. I want to pass them as, as quick as possible. So I'm going to use a heavier size. But when I'm actually funded, I'm going to trade them proper. So it's up to you. Or do you not have the bankroll to blow them? If that's the case, you got to be more conservative. 7 p.m. EST. Let's see. When you trade individual stocks, why do you use options instead of directly trading the stock? Because if the stock goes up $1, I'm going to make $1 per share. But if I trade the option, I'm going to make $40 per option, give or take. So options, you have more leverage. How did trading affect my life? Well, I'm 27. I don't have to worry about money. I don't have to worry about bills. I bought my first house when I was 22, 23 years old. Bought my second house when I was 26. I'm about to retire my dad in the next, 2-3 months before the end of the year. It's really it. Tesla reports today after market close. Andrew, you're stuck with me, buddy. Waiting for this break and retest of the high. You can see that we're flagging right here, everybody. $30-minute orb is newer. I used to trade the 5-minute orb a lot in like 2021, 2022, because that's when breakouts worked really good. Supply and demand has been around for a while, and then fibs. So the only thing that's newer is that 30-minute orb. How does it feel to own a supercar? I mean, I don't know if you consider a GTR a supercar, but I mean, it's cool. It was my dream car since I was a kid. I have no reason to buy anything outside of that. I could buy a Lambo or a Ferrari or a McLaren, whatever, but I just have no reason to. GTR is the car I always wanted. Orb opening range breakout. Why did I switch from the 5-minute to the 30-minute orb? Just because the 5-minute was breakouts, and breakouts haven't worked since 2022, late 2022. So again, just had to switch it up slightly. And 30-minute works really good. We are testing VWAP. We are testing that pre-market high. This could be a potential area that we hold. I think if NQ is going to bounce anywhere, it's here, everybody. I might have just been too slow pulling this shit up. Yep. Fuck. It's going to push. I was trying to pull up the options. Thought I was eligible for a payout yesterday. I need 600 more. Then I'll get my payout. Okay, let's see what happens in this area, everybody. Got VWAP pre-market high right here. Want to see better candle structure, but I'm thinking longs. If I take it, it'll be on options this time, and I'll just secure my futures. Not the best looking 5-minute candle. See if they hold it again. I mean, if you really like it, your risk is super small, but I like to see a better reaction. I'm gonna try these calls, everybody. Try the calls. You could take NQ longs. Stop would be right below here. Nice move up so far. See if we get above this ADMA. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a trim right here, everybody. 2 for 2 on the day. Let's fucking go. Thank you, handsome. What? What? Bro, you mumble. Speak up. Speak up. Sound like you got weenie in your mouth, bro. Speak up. Feel free to do whatever you want with this position, everybody. I'm gonna personally keep my stop at break even on these options. But took about a little over half my position off. Very nice move. I guess that makes 2 winning trades, so I guess we gotta give away 2 accounts. So I'll give you guys the option again to post your gains again and tag me in GD. Oh yeah, Jadon has that stupid timer. I'm gonna turn off that timer after this trade. Hold on. I'm going to turn it off just so you guys can post it. Did you take that, GD? You hesitated? Oh, bet. Let's go. Come on, give us a little more. Like to see if I can get my options in the money. So get it above 707. I'd look to take another trim. No, I just need speakers. The default ones on this computer suck. I know. Yeah. I'm secretly bankrupt. Come on, give us more. Keeping my stop at break even on these options, everybody. Feel free to put it at break even on NQ as well, depending on your entry. Would really like to see this go higher. Nice 5-minute candle close above this 8 EMA. See if we can hold above it and continue to push from here. Ideally, take it back up in a high day. That would be insane. Yeah, I stopped out the rest of break even, everybody. Nice trade though. Decent trade. Again, if you're in the futures though, just manage it how you want. I was trading 0 DT on the QQQs. All right, let me make it so you guys can post again. Let's see. I bet you it's going to stop it out at break even with the 0 DTs and just push. It's going to do it. Oh, there it is. Peace, Judy. You guys ready to nuke hashtag post your gains? I'm going to turn it off for like 5 minutes at most. Or else Dad, J Dunn, is going to call and yell at me. All right, I'm turning it off right now. Go nuke it. 5 minutes. You guys can post again for another chance to win. There's still that possibility that it continues to push. So I have a feeling it wants to push. Yes, it's starting to get bought up too off that 50% retracement. It's the only thing that sucks about doing 0DT sometimes. Starting to break back down. But yeah, the whole reason I took that trade was just that pre-market high that we broke above. We never really retested it, so we got that big bullish candle push through it, pull back to it, VWAP, 21 EMA, confluence, and we started to hold it, and the risk was tight. So that's why I took it. Sorry, everybody, wasn't looking at the tube chat. What? Why are you spamming the chat? Don't spam the chat so much. Don't join and type the same thing. I'm trying to trade. I mean, it's still holding that 21 EMA. It could continue to push. I'm taking the slow-mo off now. Or I'm putting it back, sorry. Team Bull is no longer hiring anybody outside of who we already have. I think it's going to. Again, if you guys have not signed up for the free webinar yet, make sure you guys do that. Again, here's the link to join. Free webinar, free 99 next Wednesday. Here's the link. Boom. Everybody in Team Bull, make sure you guys sign up for that free webinar that I'm doing next week. Link is right there in the chat. I just sent it like 5 times. Can't miss it. I think it's going to push. I think it just went to sit there and chop a little bit. Had a feeling, but again, being extra cautious with earnings today, especially how the market's been the last like week and a half. So it's all right. I do think it does want to go back to high day. Like I wouldn't be surprised. This is what I wanted to happen the first time. Oh, NQ, you'll suck. 2 for 2. Wes wanted this big move up the first go, but it's all right. All right, let's pick winner number 2. All right, close my eyes. Five, four, three, two, 1, 0. It says I dot dot dot. I B doggy 08. Check your DMs. Check your DMs. I be doggy. Then also, if you guys are looking to join the Discord, if you're watching on TikTok or YouTube, TikTok, if you go to the link in my bio, it'll say join Discord on my Beacons page. Click that, use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll give you it'll give you 50% off your first month. So again, Discord, link in my bio, use code Brandon, all caps, 50% off. If you're watching on YouTube, there's a link right there to the WAP, and then code Brandon. Hold on 1 second. All right, I'm back. My barber's pissing me off today, everybody. Had a good day trading, but the barber's pissing me off. Any questions? Oh, sitting here talking to you guys. I'm muted. Any questions, Team Bull? I'd say if you guys are going to watch anything else, probably the break and retest of this 30-minute orb high is what I would watch. My trading Asia later. I don't know yet. Maybe. Actually, probably not. I have to teach my mentorship class. Speaking of which. Let's see. Once Apex gives me more. Actually, I have 25k lucids that I can give you guys. Let's see. Brandon, your patience, calm demeanor has been game changing for me. I appreciate you. Wes had to take your family to the airport. See, this is the move that we wanted. It's all right, though. It is what it is. But yeah, if you guys want to watch this 30-minute orb, feel free to watch that. Honestly, my expectations were pretty low today, so I'm probably about to call it 2 for 2 on the day. Take what I got and do it again tomorrow. So everybody in Team Bull, have an amazing day. Again, make sure you guys sign up for the webinar. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon. But Team Bull, have a good day. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. Peace. All right, TikTok and YouTube. Yep, there it goes. That's what we wanted. That is literally the move that we wanted. It's all right, though. Yeah, everybody have a good day. Subscribe. Everybody on TikTok, follow. Sign up for the webinar. Again, if you're watching on TikTok, shoot me a DM on Instagram, BrandonTrades, and I will get you guys in the webinar. I'll send you the link. If you guys are on YouTube, scroll up a little bit. It's the one that says webinar. So just click on that. Take 5 seconds to sign up. And yeah, let's crush it again tomorrow. Everybody have a good one and peace out.